Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with some Happy Mail. Join me as I look through this package. This comes from France from a snail mail friend, Eleonore. Yesterday I posted another video showing what I had sent her, so if you'd like to see that, I'll put it in the description box below. So we did a swap last year, and they're pretty small ones. This year we had agreed to do a little bit of a postcard swap and sticker swap and other items. So let's have a look and see what she sent me. I'm super excited. I love the stamp, by the way, with the paper airplanes. Love that. So first, I'm gonna pull this out and I see a letter. So I look at this, beautiful. I'm just going to zoom in and show you what is on top of our envelope. Have a look at this beautiful paper fold here. It looks like a beautiful fan that she made for me. I love it. It looks like this is her letter. Actually, it's not her letter. There's a bunch of goodies in there. But let's have a look and see first what's in here, and we'll open them one by one. So I'm gonna pull. Oh, that's so sweet of her to wrap all of these so nicely. Let's see. I see a little flag here. Adorable colors. She loves bright colors. So let's see. I am just slowly pulling stuff here, and it looks like we have a bunch of goodies here. I'm trying to locate her letter. I'm sure it's somewhere here, but let's start with this beautiful bunch here. I'm going to put some of these packages aside first so we can focus on some of the items that she included. This is so awesome. So last year she also made me a flip tag and I really loved it. I'll put the link below if you'd like to see that as well. And I love this little straw flag art thing here. It says you're special. That's super cute. Now here is the front of our flip tag, and she's created these adorable pockets. And in here, let's pull out some of the items. Look at that, and I love the colors. So we have some nice tags. I love these painter sample sheets. I love using these for crafting. They have, it says Mango Tango. That'll be perfect for a summer themed project. We have a paper strip. Love this tag. This is so beautiful. It's very thin. And oh, how wonderful. She included this stamp. So here's a closer look at this adorable stamp. It says Aloha. This is go perfect in my traveler's journal. All my love. Thank you, Eleonore. I love that. She has a cute little paper clip with a charm that says love this. And then on the top we have more goodies here. So I'm just going to take out the paper clip and pull up some of these. We have a stamp. Blank stamp here, definitely perfect for journaling. Oh, I love this. That's so awesome. I just recently sent her as well a artist trading coin, and this is beautiful. This is perfect for summer, for spring. I just love the color she picked. We have a New York tag, adorable page flag with some cactus here. Oh, how cute are these little paper little page flags. That is too cute. That is going in the journal. And then we have one more of these tickets. Super cute, and I love this mini little binder clip here. So I'm gonna flip up here, and this is the back side. It says hello. How cute. I love these layers. We have a vellum tag here. And in here she used a little clothespin, and I love this fuchsia pink color scheme here. So here's one that's layered, and I love this. We just saw a sticker over there. This is a layered ticket here, or not, but this is on top of this one. I can definitely use that for, we're going to Hawaii soon, so I'm going to use that in my journal, and I love this ticket. More beautiful tags here. Oh, I love this watercolor one. That is so pretty. Look at how cute. Little cats meow. And then we have some stickers and layering here. That is adorable. I love that. And this has a very cute sentiment. And look at this big tag, and she put some layering here as well. I love this. The little house, some postage. That is so cute. Love that. And here is the back of our paper and our flip tag. That is so adorable. Thank you. So I'm going to put this aside, and we need to look at this. And I think I spy her letter. Here it is. I'm going to read this in just a few. All right, let's have a look at this gorgeous looking butterfly origami. I just read her letter real quick, and she mentioned that she had made this especially for me. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm going to put this on my wall in my crafting area in the guest room. And I wanted to congratulate you, Eleanor, on your new home. Good luck with that. I'm so excited for you and your new adventures. Here is one that she attached. This is so beautiful. And this is, it looks like a bookmark. Oh, I'm sorry, it was just a covering for this one. But look at that hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. Beautiful. I can definitely use that as a bookmark. And let's have a look and see what these beautiful butterfly origami. I need to learn how to make these. So let me just pull them out of this beautiful packaging. Look how pretty that is. I love it. So much dimension there. And it looks like these are butterflies as well. So that is so awesome. We'll look at that envelope next. And it looks like she included these adorable heart stickers. Love it. I love hearts. So we'll definitely use that. Now I'm going to open this envelope with these beautiful butterflies. I love these. And there's more. Oh my goodness, she really gave me so much. So let's see. Oh, I love this. Look at the flowers she made me. I can see this going on one of my journals on the cover. We'll have to make something with that. And how adorable are these miniature labels here. I love the colors pink, and then we have that salmon pink or orange. Very nice. How beautiful. It's a tomato plant. Love it. And we got llamas. I love llamas. Unicorn magic. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. And it's textured as well. Definitely going in my spring journal. And then we have, who is this cute little froggy? It says hip hip hooray, and then we have this adorable tags here. And we have, I don't know if you see the llama, so I'm going to put it against the white, and hopefully you see that. Beautiful. More adorable llama stickers, it looks like, and I love these. These are cute. Here's the other one. What a cute pair. Thank you so much. And it looks like there is more. It's like overflowing with these adorable items here with stickers. Love this one. Perfect for a junk journal with the receipt sheet. This postcard. That is adorable. I love this. I wonder which paper collection this is from. It looks like a sticky note. My heart is in love. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Very nice. She also included these peach. I don't have any peach doilies, so I'm so happy to receive that. And then we have an adorable card. That is so pretty. Love that. Now there is still more here. We have a box, and she's wrapped it in this beautiful pink and craft paper shell wrapping. Let me just carefully open it. I hope I don't tear it up. I don't know about you, I usually keep some of the paper that my snail mail friends send me, and I put it in my pen pal journal. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh wow! It's a beautiful, oh I love this. It's a keychain. It says hello lovely. That is going on my purse. I love that. Thank you so much. That is so awesome. Thank you. And there's still one more item. Let's have a look and see what's in this one. Look how adorable this unicorn wrapping is. I am going to open it and see what we have in here. Put this to the side. Oh my goodness! This is what she had said. She was going to send me some rhinestone stickers and they look gorgeous. I've never seen them made this way. This is so pretty. I love the iridescent look and the pink and purples here. Thank you so much. More stickers. She sent me some 3D stickers here and I love it. We have the llama theme here. What is this floral piece? I think it's a card. How beautiful is this card with the birds? I have a bird journal. I'm going to include that in this one. And it looks like we have these tile stickers and they're about, looks like a lot of them in different themes. I love these. They remind me of those magnet stickers. So definitely going to use these. Thanks so much, Eleanor. I love all the goodies that you included for our swap, and I hope you like all of the stuff I've sent you as well. Again, I feel super blessed to find such wonderful friends in this crafting community and to be able to have this opportunity to do this wonderful creative exchange showing all of our own uniqueness and styles. I hope you guys enjoy this Happy Mail unboxing as much as I have. I really enjoy sharing these unboxings with you. Again, thank you for watching Caramia's Corner. I'll see you next time. Bye!